Holiday hot rods are back for 2013. I have one of each of the models to show you. I picked them up at a USA Walmart store. $2.17. The price just keep inching up. It is nice though to get special cards for the holiday season. Here we have the 12 Ford Mustang Boss 302 Laguna Seca. All of these have regular wheels. All of them have some type of holiday tampo. This one has the Hot Wheels logo in a snowflake tampo. On the hood it says Holiday 2013, and it does have a snowflake pattern going through the stripe down the middle. 1985 Chevrolet Camaro Iroc-Z. Nice green color. Picked up one extra for my daughter and one for my son if he liked it. I mentioned that the other one had a snowflake tampo. I'm noticing that between the cars they either have a snowflake, or if you look at this one, it has a snowman. Let me get slow. There you go. There's the snowman. Happy Holidays 2013. Rodger Dodger. The stripes, it has like a star pattern. It's not a snowflake pattern. 2013 tampo above the tire. Happy Holidays. This one has a Santa with the Hot Wheels. Maybe there's three. The Sandblaster. Nice kind of a darker gold color. Definitely has nice festive tampos. You see snowflakes all over the side. Holiday 2013. There's the name on the bottom. Sandblaster. A little hard to read. If you've been good, maybe you'll get this one. If you've been naughty, maybe you get this one with the little roll bar or whatever thing in the back, not snapped into place. Street Creeper. What's this one doing on the holiday? This one looks like it should have been for a Halloween. And then I see the number 13 on the side, and I'm thinking, this definitely should have been a Halloween. Why are they putting a 13 on there? And then it didn't dawn on me that, duh, it's 2013. That's why they're going to put 13 on the side. It's got off-white tires. They're kind of like a pearl white. They're not white. And the holiday tampo on this one is the snowflake logo. Hot tub. Remember when I found one in the mystery machines? Not mystery machines. The mystery models in the baggies. And I said it's good for downhill racing. Well, if you didn't find that one, I heard some people saying that they couldn't find the mystery models hot tub. Now you get another shot. This one has the snowman logo. Why were they looking for it, and why did I recommend it? Because it's a heavy model. It's good for downhill racing. Maybe get a leg up on the competition if they don't know that this one's a good downhill racer. Number 7 in the series, 7 out of 8, Madfast. It's got skinny front tires. It's got a gold base. Nice color presentation on all of these models. This one, let me get a close-up on the tampos. Snowflake logo on the rear fender, rear quarter panel. And then here, it says North Pole, Snowman Racing, and Reindeer Headers. And the 13, of course, for 2013. Hey, it says happy, this one says Happy Holidays on it. Last but not least, the Morris Wagon. Well, I said last but not least. It's the least favorite in my book as far as this casting. I don't know, it just looks funny with that big fender and the little tire. Pretty interesting how they did the decals, though. I look at it and they put like scallops, but it kind of looks like a 13. 1 and a 3. I don't know if that's how they intended it or if that's just how it turned out. This one gets a special tampo. Doesn't look like any of the others. I don't know, it looks like a Christmas bow, Christmas package. You can see the square and then the bow. It's pretty cool. Overall, all of them have nice decos. I'm not sure why the Street Creeper's being used, but it sure looks nice. Maybe kids are going to like it. Be a nice, maybe they like spiders, and it'd be a nice stocking stuffer. My two favorites, and I got extras for me and the kids. I like the hot tub, and actually the truck was pretty nice. Mustang was okay. I like the green one, the green Camaro. And Rodger Dodger was nice. Pretty good assortment. If you want to get them all, get them all. If not, hey, pick something. Get in the holiday spirit. Maybe not for you. Give somebody a nice little stocking stuffer. Anyways, happy holidays. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.